The Ferrari 599XX Evo stands as a testament to Ferrari's relentless pursuit of performance and innovation. Unveiled in 2011, this track-only hypercar was developed under Ferrari's exclusive XX program, offering a select group of clients the opportunity to participate in Ferrari's research and development initiatives. The 599XX Evo is an evolution of the 599XX, incorporating significant enhancements in aerodynamics, powertrain, and electronics to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Ferrari 599XX Evo lies a 6.0-liter V12 engine, producing an impressive 740 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 700 Newton-meters of torque. This powertrain enables the 599XX Evo to achieve a top speed of 315 km per hour and accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The engine's performance is further enhanced by the adoption of lateral exhausts, which not only improve airflow but also contribute to a weight reduction of 35 kilograms compared to its predecessor. Aerodynamics and handling. The 599XX Evo features a reworked aerodynamic package that includes an active rear wing, inspired by Formula One's drag reduction system, DRS. This wing adjusts its angle based on telemetry data, such as speed, steering angle, and lateral acceleration, to optimize downforce and reduce drag. At 200 km per hour, the car generates up to 440 kilograms of downforce, significantly enhancing stability and cornering performance. The chassis has been further refined with the introduction of Pirelli racing slicks and recalibrated electronic systems, including the second-generation SCM magnetorheological suspension. These upgrades contribute to improved handling dynamics, allowing the 599XX Evo to lap Ferrari's Fiorano circuit in just 1 minute and 15 seconds, 2 seconds faster than the standard 599XX. Weight reduction and materials. Ferrari has employed advanced materials to reduce the 599XX Evo's weight. The use of carbon fiber components, such as the intake manifold and lightweight engine parts, including a new crankshaft, contribute to an overall weight reduction of 35 kilograms compared to the original 599XX. This emphasis on weight-saving measures enhances the car's agility and responsiveness on the track. Technology and data acquisition. The 599XX Evo is equipped with sophisticated electronic systems that provide real-time data to both the driver and Ferrari engineers. The virtual car engineer system monitors various performance parameters and offers feedback to optimize driving techniques. Additionally, the car features the ActiFlow system, which uses fans to manage airflow under the vehicle, reducing turbulence and enhancing aerodynamic efficiency. Exclusivity and ownership. Production of the Ferrari 599XX Evo was limited to just 29 units, ensuring its exclusivity. Owners are granted access to Ferrari's Corse Clienti program, which includes participation in track events where they can experience the car's capabilities under the guidance of Ferrari's engineers. This program not only offers a unique driving experience but also allows owners to contribute to the development of future Ferrari models. Conclusion. The Ferrari 599XX Evo represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's engineering prowess, combining cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and unparalleled exclusivity. Its development under the XX program underscores Ferrari's commitment to innovation and its dedication to providing an extraordinary driving experience for its most discerning clients. For those fortunate enough to experience it, the 599XX Evo offers a glimpse into the future of high-performance automotive engineering.